Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever made a mistake in QuickBooks or simply want to roll your data back to a specific point in time, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to restore a QuickBooks Online Advanced Backup. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your company data back safely without losing a thing. So let's get started. First, let's access the Restore feature. Head over to the top right corner of QuickBooks and click on the Settings gear icon. From there, select Backup Company. Depending on your setup, you may need to log in again using your Intuit account. Once you're in, choose Restore and then click on New Restore. Next, it's time to pick the backup you want to restore. If you see the exact backup point you need in the list, simply select it. But if you want to restore your data to a specific date and time, choose Create Restore and pick your desired point in time. Now, QuickBooks may ask you to take care of a few things before moving forward. These prompts are important, so don't skip them. For example, you might be asked to complete some recommended tasks, or you may have to confirm that you're okay with overwriting all company data up to the selected date. Go ahead and carefully follow the on-screen instructions. Once everything is ready, it's time to actually restore. Click Start Restore to initiate the process. Now here's an important tip. While the restore is running, do not make any changes inside QuickBooks. Depending on the size of your data, the process might take a few minutes. Just sit tight and let QuickBooks do its job. When the restoration is complete, you will see a green check mark confirming that everything went through successfully. At this point, you can go back to working with your company data exactly as it was at the backup point you selected. And if you ever want to review your past restores, just go back into the Restore section to see the history. And that's it. Restoring a QuickBooks Online Advanced Backup is actually pretty straightforward once you know where to look and what steps to follow. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment below if you've run into any issues during your restore process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.